from this place. You can notice it's raining now. I just find a shelter here. Before I start my hiking, I prepare my all the things, and I just bring a small luggage just for cooking, and there is no can and it's raining. So let's see. I have just plastic sheet I use for hide from rain, and let's see what happened. GoPro battery, I'm so disappointed. It's so fast finished, and another on the way. The GoPro always give you trouble. Just get a little bit heat and not to off. Even you talking, you never know it's stopped already and you continue making videos. So at last when you check there is no recording, you really feel disappointed, you know. Okay, what do you think, guys, where I can, because everywhere is wet, you know. I need some place. Oh, this is better in this place, because other side is many people. So I can make here. I need to find some nice. Oh, I can make here. I can put the old things here. I can make a tool here. I can sit here. This is not bad. Okay, so I put all my things here first. Make a shelter first of all, because if the rain is get heavy, so I don't know what to do. Making a shelter here because I changed the place. Before I tried there, but this place is not good. Maybe later, then if I'm not hoping is if it get a heavy rain, then make a problem for me. So you can see, guys, I make the place like this. I can sit, I can cook here. This place I make for my train gear, and that I put some tree skin because the ground is very wet because raining 2 days. So this is if you guys have a problem during the hiking, it's raining, it start raining and suddenly, so and then you have a long way to go and you have just piece of plastic like this, you can make place for hide for cooking. Maybe you can stay for a few hours if heavy rain. So this is nice. So give me comments below. You can see, guys, I make this like this place. You can see place like jungle soul everywhere. You cannot find any person here today. Some hikers, but they're gone because it's raining. So I start my cooking now. You can see the bright. Oh, it's all around the huge trees, and this is my, how you can say, survival shuttle for cooking. So I start cooking now and share it with you guys.